Hey guys, so we got in such a big way of catching fish in this video that I forgot to do an intro. Um, I took Eric out in mind of breaking his PB. We did that several times over on this trip. You guys won't even see all the fish we caught. I lost some of my GoPro stuff again. There's so many fish in this trip that it would be a 2 hour video if I included them all. But we'll show you guys some of the best ones and some of the most fun ones here. And I hope you enjoy. Got Eric hooked up with the first fish of the day. Just bring him right up between them. There you go. He's not going to be real big.
Oh, Bubba.
Now bring him under those rods. There you go. You got a little leader line, don't you? Oh no, I made a mess.
Got him.
I think I got him. Yeah, I ain't seen him yet.
Can't be that deep.
Hooked up on another fish, guys. He's outrunning the boat, man. And that planer boy, he ain't that big, but he's pretty good. All right, don't pick him straight up. Now turn the net and put the handle straight up.
Huh?
Grab the net like this. Let go. I got him. Let go of the net right there. Turn the net this way.
Oh, why?
Because if you try to pick the net up this way, the weight of that fish will break the handle. I don't know where the hook's at either. That thing's through the net. Just hanging in the rod holder back here.
Whole thing?
Yeah. I was like, what is that? Eric's hooked up on another one. Fight him. Fight him, boy. Don't worry about these other rods. We'll get them in a minute. We just missed another one and then hit that one. That's a good one there. Got Eric hooked up on a PB right here, y'all. We'll undo them knots in a minute.
Try not to get him ripped up in his other lines.
That's a good one there. There you go. We're out here dragging baits again, guys. Actually, almost in the same spot as what y'all seen in my last video. Look at the rod bend in that Blue Cat rod. He's got a tank right here. We just put a 20 back and had another takedown that I missed, and then that one hit at the same time. Yeah, I'll get it. You ain't got him close yet. He's still on the bottom. Yeah, he's still on the bottom. The bend in that blue cat rod. Yeah, that's why we're out here today. Don't let him flop around like that on top of the water.
Don't let him.
No, pick him up.
You said don't pick him up.
God, he won't go in the net. There's a PB, guys. That's a nice blue cat.
Oh, that's a fight.
All right, guys, let me go get him taken care of here, and we'll be right back with you.
That's a damn fight. That's a damn fight.
That was 3 fish that was hanging out right there together.
That's a fight, dude.
That's what we're here for right there, man. That was the whole reason I've made this trip today, right there. He inhaled it.
That's awesome.
All right, Eric, get him back, buddy. Watch him swim off. There, he's gone already. Eric, look at me. How's that make you feel?
Oh, I'm still shaking from the adrenaline, man.
How's that make you feel?
That's a good catch. Makes me feel pretty dang good.
That's his PB by about probably 20 pounds right there.
Easily.
Oh. All right, guys, we're gonna get some of this mess straightened up. We had 3 fish and 3 takedowns right there in just a matter of a minute. Oh, this one's gonna pull now. I hope we don't get another line. That was a no-no. Right to that side he goes. Golly. He's rolling, son. He's gonna get every line we got right here. He's pulling the boat backwards. He done went through 2 lines right there.
Oh no.
3 lines.
Oh no.
He's got them all.
Oh no.
Yeah. Yeah, he done went through 3 lines right there.
Go ahead and thread him through there.
Oh, that
Can.
ain't happening. He's through. These 2's out. These other 2 are hung all the way up. He's in both of these. Come up, big boy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's angry now.
Oh no.
Heartbreak of the year. God. Well, guys, that was a big heartbreak. I honestly, in my opinion, feel like that was probably a PB that I lost right there. It happens. Not blaming anything. I tied a 30-pound leader on because we couldn't find my 80 when I broke a line off. Stuff happens. It's what keeps us going back. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.